Sorry about any noise you may hear in the background. I'm doing laundry right now. I'm in the laundry room. But hello, everybody. Welcome back to day 8 of my vacation. We're still doing this. And today we're in Jackson, Tennessee. The only reason we're here is because my dad doesn't want to drive 10 straight hours to Pigeon Forge, which is where we're going to be tomorrow. So, today the only goal is to read, it's a webtoon called After School Lessons for Unripe Apples. My friend really wants me to read it, so we'll get into that. This is the image that was submitted today by Trip345. He won. I believe it's a YouTube thumbnail. 5 bone-chilling stories that will make you shove a live piranha up your butt. He only just said Trip345 was here. Guess he wanted us to know. So today we clocked out around like 9 a.m. and we got in the car. And then for breakfast lunch-ish, we got a burger. We got Wendy's. I just got a burger, I just got the Dave's Double. No fries, no drink. We're like that now. And then we passed a gas station without a station. It was just a gas, Didn't stop there for obvious reasons. But then, again, this place is so barren. Like Tennessee outside Memphis, and just Arkansas in general, they're just desolate voids of anything. And then some guy crashed his car insane style. If you look at this shit, he almost was perpendicular to the road. He basically made like the sharpest right turn imaginable into the guardrail, and I just don't know how. Like I don't know why even. We didn't find that. We just drove past, And then we passed through Memphis again, and we saw the Bass Pro Shops pyramid. Look at it. It's beautiful. I can't believe I got to stay inside. What a dream. And just remember, guys, I want you to like and subscribe, and then also follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitch, join the Discord down below. And you know why you want to do that? It's so I can go to LA and get an LA Influencer Mansion and switch up on all my day ones. And then I get the best thing in life. I get the lime green Lamborghini. Once I have that, my life's basically complete, because everyone knows I'm awesome and rich once I have that, The lime green Lamborghini, it's beautiful. Now, moving on. So you know how I said today's goal was to read After School Lessons for Unripe Apples? It's just so slow. Like, I really wanted to read it for my friend. Like, she really likes this webtoon. It's just so slow. And my attention span is just not there. Project Hail Mary had me locked in, but this just wasn't doing it for me. And then also I took this funny photo you can look at. It's crazy how I can get the serious double chin going. I think it's because I used to be way fatter. And then okay, that's just a pyramid again. Okay. Anyways, and then we stopped at a it's not a Love's, it's a Pilot's, I think is what it's called. And they had a Subway and a Cinnabon, and then I think also McDonald's, but I got Subway. Also they had the thin neon line hat, which if you don't there's so little crossover between who's watching this and who's watched The Yard, but I love this podcast, The Yard Podcast. Their newest premium episode, Aiden is wearing the thin neon line hat, and I went here and I found the exact same one. I had to wear it, of course, to pay homage to all the brave construction workers putting their lives on the line for the safety and the protection of the United States. Because without construction workers, guys, listen, you might think it's the thin blue line, the thin red line, the thin green line. No, it's the thin neon line. What would we do without construction workers? Nothing would be built. Nothing would happen. That's why the thin neon line is needed, to protect America, to make America. Okay, I was getting off track there. Now, again, Subway wasn't that great. I haven't been to a Subway in a long time, and I forgot how all their shit is just like here, and it doesn't look good. But the food was alright. I got this shit. It's like 30 grams of protein, which is alright. The guy kind of just shoved the onions in there. He was having a bad day. I could tell. He was definitely there since like 8 a.m. But then, there was this T-shirt I thought was funny. If freedom offends you, you're free to leave. And then also it doesn't have like the Great Lakes, I guess. Whatever. Then we got to the hotel room, which this is by far one of the nicest hotels we've stayed in like the entire trip. I mean, look at this place. It is beautiful. And right now I get to sit in the laundry room because you know, I haven't done I packed enough clothes for 14 days, but somehow it wasn't. So I have to, you know, do laundry now, but whatever. They also had carpeted stairs, which are weird. Like when you ever go to the stairwell of a hotel, it's almost always like barren, like it's like just like how it was made. This they decided to like furnish it for whatever. And then also it's like a fucking backrooms level. I think it's just the backrooms. And they have the worst cable management I've ever seen. I mean, look at this shit. Holy, it is a fire waiting to happen. And then so we got Panera for dinner. And this was the Dubai chocolate cookie. My father is a very good man. However, I will not eat this, due mostly to the fact that it doesn't look good. Also, I took this photo of my eye. Again, the Android camera will lock in every 1 in 1,000 photos, and the rest of the time it's a Nokia. But I mean, look at this one. You can really see my eyes are green. I also have like the dark circle around your eyes, which I've heard from DP is good. Now, this place is still basically the back rooms. It's basically like a liminal space, and I have to watch over my shoulder so that way no like people come in here. But I can talk freely because, you know, there's no one else in this fucking room but me. But yeah, so then I had to do a quest for laundry at midnight o'clock. So so first I went down the elevator. I grabbed my I went to the store and I got water because I need water, and then I also got, you know, detergent and fabric softener. And then I took all the gifts out of my luggage, like my duffel bag, and then I put all my clothes in, and then I brought them down here because I don't have a basket at all. And that's the end of day 8, guys. Not a lot happened today. I'll be fair. I had to kind of stretch it out to make it longer, like a video of length. But you know, today's pretty much just a travel day. But tomorrow is Pigeon Forge, guys. Tomorrow's Pigeon Forge, and I haven't been there in a while. But it's basically like a massive tourist trap, and we're gonna be staying at the Margaritaville Hotel. All right, dude. Ted Division. He'd love it. You know, he'd love it because we're staying at the Margaritaville Hotel, and then so the goal. Oh wait, I forgot to update the goal for tomorrow. Fuck me. You guys are gonna see a little behind the scenes here. Shit. What's tomorrow's goal? Cheeseburger in paradise. Cheeseburger in paradise. I got a cheeseburger. Yo, make that fit. Alright, pretend you didn't eat anything. And then the re-goal is going to be also to eat a fish. The re-goal is basically trying to do a goal that I failed in the past. I don't know if I'll eat the fish. Probably not. Who knows? Anyways, have a good night, guys. Thank you for watching again. I really appreciate the support on the series. I mean, heck, the last episode got 5 whole views. And I have 50 people in my Discord, so I know... Hey, 10% love them. And remember to follow me on twitch.tv/Unverfuss because I'm going to become the world's best streamer. There's no doubt about it. And I'm not going to need an office job because I'm going to be the world's best streamer. Next year, it's going to be Streamer University. You guys are going to see me up there in the big leagues. And I won't forget y'all. When I'm at the top of Arasaka Tower, I won't forget you guys. Anyways, peace.